Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this time we're looking at how to match your BPM to the BPM of the song that's being played. So over here I have a very beautiful scenario. So I'll be using the built-in drum machine of the Valeton GP200 through the software. I would also show how to go about this particular process with the board directly. So over here we have a drum pattern like this. So that is how it sounds like. And I'm playing it at a BPM of 110. And then I'm matching the BPM of the drum machine to the tempo of my preset. So over here, you don't necessarily have to use the drum machine, but I'm just using the drum machine as a source of, let me say, tempo for what I'm going to demonstrate. So over here, by default, my preset BPM is 84. So when it's like this and the drum machine is playing like that, you realize it's a bit muddy because the BPMs are not matching. So what I have to do is simply either ask the person that is in control of the loop or the stems, the BPM of the song that's being played. Usually you should do this during rehearsal so that you wouldn't have to be bending down 10 knobs while playing live. But in a situation where you have to play live and you do not know the BPM of the song, that's where the tap tempo comes in. So this is how I have configured my buttons on the Valeton GP200. So you can pause and copy or watch this particular tutorial that I explained to details why I did what I did. So I have my tap tempo on the fourth switch at the very top. So you can use that to. So you see, it changes the BPM. So let me play this and try to match it. Okay. So, it might not necessarily get it accurate, but it's close enough. I think at some point I got 112, but if you get to know the exact BPM, it will help you to, be on time most of the time. So I'll simply type 110, or you can bend down and do it like this on the board. So now that you've been able to configure the BPM of the presets, let's demonstrate how it plays well with the drum machine. Or in this case, you could be having a stem or a loop or something similar. Or let me say you guys are playing normal song and then you have to use the tap tempo. So you get the gist. So that's simply how to match the BPM of the song to the preset so that you're always on time because of the delay. And this is my delay setting. You can pause and copy. I'm doing a dotted delay at 110 BPM. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.